This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use essential add-ons for Elementor. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and install the Essential Add-ons plugin. You can find both a free and a pro version, offering over 45 unique widgets to enhance your Elementor page building experience. Once installed, activate the plugin to unlock its powerful features and begin designing more dynamic and engaging web pages with ease. Essential Add-ons provides a vast library of widgets to elevate your designs. Explore popular options such as advanced tabs, accordions, and post grids to organize your content beautifully. You can also leverage dynamic content widgets to create interactive and engaging user experiences. Each widget comes with extensive customization options, allowing you to fine-tune every detail and ensure your website stands out. Customizing your Essential Add-ons widgets is straightforward and powerful. Dive into the Settings panel to adjust colors, typography, and spacing, ensuring every element aligns with your brand's aesthetic. The Advanced Options panel allows for granular control, letting you apply custom styling to individual components. Plus, with built-in responsive controls, you can easily optimize your designs for perfect display on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. To maximize your efficiency, only enable the Essential Add-ons widgets you actively use, which helps optimize your website's performance. Take advantage of global settings to ensure consistent styling throughout your entire site, saving you valuable time. If you ever need more inspiration or encounter a challenge, remember to consult the comprehensive documentation and engage with the vibrant Essential Add-ons community for support and innovative ideas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.